If you're seeing the message Figma an error occurred, don't worry, because in this video I'll show you a few quick fixes you can try right now. This error can happen for a simple reason, like a browser issue, a cached file problem, or even a network block. And the good news is that most of the time it can be fixed in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you out, please take a second to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and easy step-by-step guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, try the simplest fix. Refresh the page. If you're using Figma in your browser, reload the tab and see if the file opens normally. Sometimes the session just needs a reset. If that doesn't work, switch apps. Try opening the same file in the Figma Desktop App instead of the browser, or test it in another browser like Chrome or Firefox. This helps you figure out whether the problem is with Figma itself, your browser, or the browser session you're currently using. If the error still appears, the next step is to clear the app cache. On Windows, open the Figma Desktop app and look for the toggle arrow near the top right of the window. Click it, then go to Help, then Troubleshooting, and choose Clear Cache. Clearing the cache can remove damaged temporary files that may be causing the error. After that, restart Figma and try opening your file again. In many cases, this alone is enough to fix the issue. Now let's check your network. Sometimes the problem is not Figma at all, but the connection you're using. Try switching to a mobile hotspot or another internet network to see if the error disappears. If Figma works on a different network, that usually means your regular Wi-Fi, router, firewall, VPN, or antivirus is blocking something it needs. This is a very common cause, especially on work or school networks. Next, check your network settings more closely. Make sure port 443 is not blocked because Figma needs that secure connection port to communicate properly. Also confirm that Figma.com is allowed by your network security settings, firewall, or antivirus software. If you're using a VPN, temporarily turn it off and test again. If you're on a managed network, you may need to ask an administrator to allow access. If you've tried all of those steps and you're still getting the same error, go back and test each fix one by one. Refresh the page, switch browsers, use the desktop app, clear the cache, and test another network. That process will usually reveal exactly where the issue is coming from. The key is to isolate whether it's a browser problem, a cache problem, or a network restriction. So to recap, if Figma says an error occurred, start by refreshing or switching apps, then clear the desktop cache, test your network, and make sure port 443 and Figma.com are allowed. These are the fastest and most reliable fixes to get you back into your design work without wasting time. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more Figma troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.